Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. It's been taking me quite a long time to film and edit all of these videos, but it is amazing having my room so organized. It's not completely done yet, but it's getting there, and I have freed up so much space and it feels so much lighter and just it feels so much better in my craft room. Even though it's a little bit messy right now, but it still feels better knowing that things are in their place and things are getting organized. I am going to repeat myself again. I will probably do this every single video because I don't know who is just coming for the first time watching these videos or who just wants organization tips on a specific item. So I suggest if you are wanting to organize your room completely like I am doing now, you need to start destashing. I know sometimes it's hard to get rid of things because manufacturers and companies they discontinue things, but we really need to be honest with ourselves that we are not going to use it all. Even everything that I've kept, I won't ever get through everything even if I stopped buying today. I would never get through everything in my room. When I did my destash, even though it was mainly paper collections and some ephemera and a few flowers, I did do some stamps, but I love my stamps and I couldn't part with a lot of them. It just made everything feel lighter and like a fresh start. So if you are really struggling, I highly suggest just starting in a small little area and having bins where you want to sell, donate, keep, and just start small. Like I said in my cleaning video, you can start like if it overwhelms you so much, little by little, little corner, little pile, whatever you need to do, and eventually it will get done. All right, so as I'm rambling, you could see that I am struggling trying to figure out how I am going to organize my washi tape. It doesn't end up being really any different, but I knew that I needed to organize every single drawer, every single bin, everything in my room if I wanted it to be complete, because I would always have that thing in the back of my mind saying, you didn't organize your washi tape. But then part of me says, well, it doesn't need to be organized. So I just did it. It took me like 20 minutes and it's done. You know, I didn't have any that I wanted to get rid of. And I probably will have to figure out a different way to store them because I see myself buying all of the new Alta New wide washi tapes. They're just so gorgeous. I also keep my Tim Holtz tissue paper in here. I found that it was the best place for it. And yeah, that is a look at how I store my washi tape. I don't have a huge amount, which helps, I think. But if you have a little amount like me, maybe this gives you an idea. You can use a bin or a basket or something. But that is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. If you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.